In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to straighten photos in Lightroom. Whether you're working on professional photography or just sprucing up some of your personal shots, understanding how to effectively straighten an image in Lightroom can really enhance your photo editing skills. To begin, navigate to the top left corner of your Lightroom workspace. This is where your main menu is located, and from here, we'll start the process of preparing your images for export. First, you'll want to click on File. This is where you can initiate various actions related to your images, such as exporting them with or without watermarks. Once you've clicked on File, a drop-down menu appears. From this menu, you need to select Export. The export window is a pivotal step where you'll configure various settings to ensure your photos look their best, whether they're for web use, prints, or other formats. After clicking Export, you'll notice several options available to tailor how you handle your images. The next step involves locating the watermarking option. This is important if you want to add a copyright symbol or any personalized branding text over your imagery. It's a useful feature if you're sharing your images online or with clients and want to maintain ownership. Find the watermarking section and click on it to proceed further. Now you'll need to select Edit Watermark. Once you click on this, a new dialog box will appear that allows you to design your watermark to suit your preferences. Here you can type in the text you want as your watermark. Maybe it's your name, the name of your photography business, or a simple copyright symbol. Make sure the text is clearly readable but not intrusive, blending seamlessly with the image's aesthetic. After entering your desired watermark, it's time to wrap this part up by clicking on Save or Done. This action secures all the changes you've made to your watermark settings and readies your images for the next step. If you followed along, you're just about ready to finalize and export your images. Finally, click on Export one more time to complete the process. Lightroom will then process your images with the specifications you've determined. Once done, your photos are straightened and polished, complete with your unique watermark. And that's how you straighten photos in Lightroom, ensuring they stand out while protecting your work. Don't forget that getting familiar with these tools enhances your productivity and efficiency in handling image edits. Feel free to experiment with different watermark styles and export settings to see what works best for your needs. Thanks for following along, and happy editing!